Sir Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair. Basically, this is basically the 44th ward of the PHP Advanced. So here one of the person told that we can basically we can create one structure basically like this PHP engine, notepad and algorithm. Algorithm basically is created in PHP and that connects to data science little bit project also basically. So this basically comes like this: PHP engine, notepad, algorithm which is basically inside the PHP, and data science basically. And data science basically can be used like this: select star from table name, and that basically data can be extract, and that is one algorithm, and that basically connects to the data science basically. So one of the person told that is this possible basically? So Sunil R. Nair told that basically that is possible basically, but that required lots of PHP knowledge basically. Data warehousing project basically I have created, but this type of projects also basically I have created, but I was not able to create up to the Oracle and SQL server basically. If anybody basically can create this, then that's well and good basically, but this is possible basically. PHP can beat Oracle engine and SQL server engine also. So by chance basically Oracle watched this video basically, they only basically will create this. I am 100% sure basically. I am 100% sure basically they are only going to beat the Oracle database, and so they will create their own competitor basically. I am telling you basically. So in future basically, if anybody will be creating this engine, so that would be Oracle and Oracle, or basically SQL server, or basically Oracle and SQL server both basically can be creating basically. So like this basically they would be 100%, or basically some any other group basically can create this, then it's well and good basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.